हेलो, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप मेरे चैनल में न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल। ऑलराइट, सो आज का जो वीडियो है, it's a video wherein I will be giving you messages which the spirit guides want to give you. What messages do we have from your spirit guides? So we'll find out about that. Alright, so मैं cards आपके सामने ही shuffle करूँगी and we will see what messages we will get for you for the month of January. Alright, so let's start with the video. Okay. So what messages do we have for the collective for the month of January? Let's find out. ये cards थोड़े बड़े हैं, so it takes time to shuffle them. Okay. So we have prosperity begins. We have hope. We have fulfillment of wishes. I mean, they are such beautiful cards, and it's so obvious that the spirit wants to give you so many blessings and so many messages through these cards. So we will start with the first card, then the second card, and then the third card. All right. So जो पहला card है, where it says prosperity begins, then we have hope, and then we have fulfillment of wishes. Now the first card, if you see, it's such a beautiful card जहाँ you will see a tree जो बाहर आ रहा है, and all the seeds and all the roots are there, right? So with this card, I see that the angels and the spirit guides are trying to tell you that it's a card of fulfillment. It's a card of new beginnings. It's a card of it's a card of prosperity. It's a card of wealth. जहाँ your dreams, your aspirations, your desires will come true. All right, they would be there with you. They would be on your hands, like ऐसे बंद मुट्ठी करेंगे तो वो आपके हाथ में होंगे. Okay, and all this will come through hard work. All right, through your efforts. आप अपने जितना भी आपने past effort लगाया होगा, जितना भी आपने hard work किया होगा, so it would be the result of that, right? So आपने at this point of time, the spirit is giving you this as a gift for all the efforts that you have put in to achieve what you really want in your life. All right, but with whatever you have done, that has been done with very careful planning, with by planning your ideas, by planning your future कि कैसे आप आगे अपनी चीज़ को implement करेंगे. Alright, so इसमें monetary gains, material gains बहुत नज़र आते हैं, right? So the card is showing that all the efforts that you have put in, it will bring more stability, it will bring more material growth, it will bring satisfaction. So overall अगर देखें, so it brings in prosperity in abundance, right? And this is also the most this is a time where you can focus on the most beneficial outcome. आपने जो manifestation की होगी या जो आपके desires होंगे, so this is a time where you can really focus on them so that they manifest in front of you, and you are able to take that reward and really work with that, and उसके साथ आपको कितनी खुशी होगी, the fulfillment of your own efforts and your goals. You will be very, very happy at this point of time. All right, so expect the best, envision the best for yourself. All right, आपकी job, आपके career and overall relationships. So it's a very, very positive beginning of the year. All right, so you really need to feel it, and you really need to see it and believe it that yes, it's there. So जब आप when you focus on abundance and the positive aspects of the material world, and you offer gratitude, so everything comes to you. All right, so this is the time when you can really offer gratitude and really harness the gifts that the spirit world is giving you at the moment. All right, then we have the card of hope. So this card, really focuses on the qualities of hope, faith, belief, healing, success, and because if hope is there, you can achieve anything, right? And when this card appears, it's you should know that any kind of desire or any kind of wish that you have wanted to come true, that is about to come true. all right, so जो आपने hope रखी थी, that is about to manifest itself. एंड ऑब्वियसली प्रॉस्पेरिटी का कार्ड भी साथ में आया है, होप आया है और फुलफिलमेंट आया है. आई मीन ऑल दीज कार्ड गो हैंड इन हैंड. सो and I shuffle the cards in front of you, so it's a clear sign from the spirit world, from the spirit guides, that you are moving in the direction of fame, you are moving in the direction of wealth, you are moving in the direction of happiness, fulfillment and joy. All right, and this hope card will also, it tells you that nothing is impossible and you can achieve the impossible as well. All right, you can make anything possible with your hard work and with your determination. All right, so there is an upper force which is working with you, through you, to manifest all that you desire for. Okay, so and ये कार्ड आपको ये भी बताता है that everybody has a natural ability of intuition. all right, एक आपकी internal sixth sense होती है जो आपको हर time is available. It's available to you 24/7. It's just that you have to open up. You should be willing to receive that sixth sense. You should be willing to receive those messages which are coming through you, and do not ignore them, because those are the messages that are coming directly from the spirit guides, from the spirit world, to let you know that you are moving in the right direction, or you have to make certain kind of changes, and so on. All right, so with this card, the only thing that I can say is the future is yours, and you only have to have hope, and you have to trust in everything which is happening, which is unfolding in front of you. Then we have fulfillment of wishes. So this card, I mean, there is no explanation needed with this card. It simply says that it is one of the most positive cards that you can get through the spirit world, through the spirit guides. All right, it represents stability. It's representing emotional fulfillment. It's representing contentment, enjoyment, और आपकी सारी जो विशेस हैं वो ट्रू नज़र आ रही हैं. ईच कार्ड इज सेइंग द सेम थिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. इट इज़ लाइक इट इज़ टेलिंग यू एंड कि ये सब चीज़ें आपकी ट्रू होंगी, ये सब चीज़ें आपकी फुलफिल हो गई हैं, एंड यू आर एबल टू रियली मूव ऑन विद दिस with great hope and desire. all right, so just focus on it, and this card also acts as a reminder to really hold to the beneficial feeling of accepting and receiving and giving. So give and take, accepting, so that is the thing that it's telling you. all right, so this is also the right time for you to heal through any kind of traumas or any kind of past memories जो जिनकी वजह से आप अपने आप को, या you might be feeling dissatisfied, or so it's basically telling you to just be hopeful, be very grateful, be very in a receptive mode, and accept all the gifts that are coming to you from your spirit guides. ठीक है, so that was the messages from the psychic oracle cards. Let's see what messages do we have from the crystal angels. So what messages do the crystal angels have to give us So we will move these cards here so that we can make space. Alright, so what messages do we have from the crystal angels? Alright, we have smoky quartz, which says clearing negativity. Okay. What else do we have? We have Sugilite, which says own your divine power. And we'll take out one more card. It's a beautiful cards. I mean, this is such a beautiful message for all those who are listening and all those who are seeing this video at the moment. So, alright, we have Tanzanite, which says ready to love again. Okay. So the first card is clearing negativities. Release negativity from within or around you. Alright. So एकदम clear cut message है that whatever negativity you have around you, yeah, if you are in that mode wherein you feel that some kind of negativity is surrounding you, the angels are telling you to just release it and let go of all the control and all the negativity and all the shadow self that you would be having around you. All right. So जब ये messages आपको आते हैं, when you are in that mode of really changing yourself and really applying the spiritual laws of the universe, such messages do come. All right, and these are no coincidences that happen that such cards will come like that. So अगर ये cards आपके सामने आ रहे हैं, these messages are coming to you, so definitely the universe is trying to give you a message. All right, so the card is saying, the angels are saying that you have to release your negativity and you have to move forward or away from that. All right, then we have Tanzanite, which says ready to love again. So it says you've healed from the past enough to open your heart to new love. All right, so वो बार बार यही कह रहे हैं that अगर आपको कुछ past hurt है, if you have if you are in that feeling of hopelessness, so it's time to really open up your heart and really see the abundance which is around you, see the love which is around you, see the joy which is around you. So please open yourself to the abundance which is surrounding you. Pay gratitude to the people who are around you. Pay gratitude to the support system that is there for you at each and every moment. Today everybody is going through a very difficult time, and yes, situations are difficult for us, but then these kind of guidances really help us to move forward. ऐसी guidances जो आती हैं वो आपको एक hope देती हैं, आपको एक एक ऐसा support देती हैं that yes, there is hope, there is there is some power which will take us out of this chaos or out of this scenario or out of this situation, and we will be victorious again. All right, then we have own your divine power. So the card is saying replace codependent people pleasing with assertiveness and empowerment. So it's basically a meaning wherein we all have that divine power within us. We are divine beings in the huge tapestry of this life, of this universe, and we are a part of it. So codependency हमारी जो है एक दूसरे के ऊपर, that is really needed at this point of time. So अगर हम एक दूसरे को support नहीं करेंगे या एक दूसरे के साथ नहीं रहेंगे, human race will not be able to function properly. So we have to be with each other throughout time and space. I suppose that is the word which is coming around right now. All right, so please see your innate powers, see what gifts do you have, see what the the spirit guides are trying to tell you, the messages are coming through. हर वक्त there are messages that we are receiving from the universe, but with so much chaos around and so much instability around, we are not able to hear those. So the angels are telling you again and again to open up, to be more receptive, and see what really lies for you ahead. Okay, now we will take out cards from the animal spirit deck, and we'll see what the animal spirit is telling you. Alright, so what messages do we have for the collective through our animal spirit? Thank you. Like everybody has a guide, a spirit guide. We do have animal spirits, and I mean, it's amazing to work with your animal spirit, and they also really help you a lot. All right, so we have swan spirit, we have seahorse spirit, and we have the elephant spirit. So the number 25, number 53, and number 6. So these numbers might be relevant to you. Alright, so you can see if these numbers make any kind of a connection with you. Alright, so these are the numbers which really people will resonate with it. आपको ये कहीं ना कहीं आपकी डेली लाइफ से या मतलब आप जिस तरीके से अपना डेली लिविंग करते हैं, ये नंबर्स आपको ज़रूर कुछ कनेक्ट करते होंगे. ऑलराइट, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द स्वान स्पिरिट. सो जो स्वान स्पिरिट है, इट सेज दैट इट्स टाइम फॉर अ डीप डाइव. ऑलराइट, so it is telling you, it's time for you to be in the in deeper understanding, by knowing that everybody has a perspective, and वो जो हमारा perspective होता है, हम उसको अपने तरीके से ही देखते हैं. We see the outside world through that perspective only. But the swan spirit has come. It's telling us to, it's reminding us that you have to look beyond what is beyond your perspective. There is we all have a greater self knowledge about what is right and what is wrong. All right, and जैसे जैसे आपको ये समझ आने लग जाएगी, the more the more intimately you're connected with this kind of a feeling, you will really go beyond your perception. All right, so this is the time when you can really take your awareness into the deep. You can really like it's saying time for deep dive, so you can take your awareness to such a level jahan aap you see everybody as one. You see beyond your perceptions, you see other people beyond your belief systems, you see other people beyond your conditioning. So there is a great message in this card that the spirit wants to tell you, that you have to see the love and the support, and the love and the support that other people provide you. हम अपने एक फिक्स्ड परसेप्शन से, एक अपने फिक्स्ड आइडिया से हट के अगर किसी चीज को देखेंगे, सो वी विल गेट अ डिफरेंट पिक्चर ऑल टुगेदर. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज द कार्ड which this is the message that this card is giving us. Then we have the seahorse card. So the message that the seahorse is giving us, that it's saying wait, watch and wait. So it's really telling you to really observe observe everything like a drama. All right, this is like the famous line which says that this stage, this universe is a stage and we all are playing its part, right? So it's time that you do not really, uh, get into everything, right? We have a habit of jumping into each and every situation, trying to control it. But the sea horse spirit is telling you to, watch from a distance and see what is happening, so that you can really find out कि हो क्या रहा है. What we do is that we jump into the situation, we jump into that picture, and we feel that it is our own picture and we have to, deal with it ourselves. अगर वो किसी और की भी प्रॉब्लम होगी, we go there as claiming as this, like this is our problem and we are there to help you. But if we look at from a distance, we'll see, if we step back and we'll see that no, this is not our problem. Why will we go and try to fix anybody else's issue? Why will we go and try to fix anybody else's situation? So this seer spirit is telling you to watch and just wait. All right, there is no need to be in a hurry and need to give your suggestions and your ideas and your feedback to each and everybody. Nobody needs that. All right, so be from, like, watch from a distance and just wait there, pause and stop there. All right, then we have the elephant spirit. So it's telling you that learn from the past. So learn from the past is that, whatever mistakes or whatever whatever conditioning or whatever ideas and whatever choices you've always made, so learn from those and really see where you can improve yourself. Because improving yourself and trying to understand what the past has given you really makes a lot of difference. You will see that, sometimes going back and reviewing your life and seeing what all things you might have done along the way really helps you move forward. So if you really analyze your life, and if you are really at that kind of a cross point where because sometimes life does throw you at a crossroad, and then we see our life from a distance and we see and we reflect back as to where things went wrong and what could have been done. So the elephant spirit is telling you that you should learn from your past mistakes, you should learn from your past learnings. अगर आपको कोई चीज़, किसी चीज़ ने आपको कुछ सिखाया है, तो उसको आप आगे इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए, उसको आप आगे यूज़ में लाइए अपने लाइफ में. Alright, so these were the messages from your spirit animals. Alright, let's see now what messages do we have from your angels. Okay, so let's shuffle the cards from the angel deck. Alright, so what messages do we have from the angels? What messages do we have for the collective? Thank you. What messages do we have for the collective from the angels? So let's see what messages do we have. So we have emotional sensitivity, where it says honor and respect your deep sensitivity as it is a gift to all of us. Obviously, everybody is emotional at a very deeper level, and सबको बहुत emotionally अपना ख्याल रखना होता है. Alright, so this card, the angels are telling you that please do not ignore your emotional feelings. Alright, अगर आपको कुछ feel होता है, if you are really feeling, your body gives you signal, your body tells you that yes, something is wrong and you have to correct it, you have to really work on it. So this is the time when the spirit guides are telling you to see where things are not moving in your favor. All right, respect your emotional sensitivity, respect the messages that your body is giving you, respect the feelings that you are having. It could be for any kind of a situation, it could be for any kind of a person. or either it could be just in general as well. अगर आपको कोई चीज़ नहीं, कई बारी हम इमोशनल सेंसिटिव हो जाते हैं टूवर्ड्स एनी काइंड ऑफ फूड ऑल्सो. हमें कई बारी होता है कि हमें वो चीज़ पसंद नहीं आती है और हम we lose the taste for that. All right, so this could be also one of the things कि your body would be telling you that you are no longer inclined towards certain kind of foods as well. So that is also emotional sensitivity. So please look into that as well if that is the case. All right, so let's take out one more card. What the messages are coming. All right, so we have crown chakra. So it says that pay attention to your ideas as they are messages of true divine guidance sent in answer to your prayers. So what did I tell you? I mean, आपके सारे messages जो हैं वो यही कह रहे हैं that pay attention to your sixth sense, pay attention to your ideas, pay attention to the messages that you would be getting, pay attention to the feelings that you would be experiencing. So this emotional sensitivity tells us that only, right? So clearing negativity tells us the same thing. So all these messages are one and the same, and they are boiling down to one thing, that you have to really take care of yourself, and you really have to see what messages you are getting on and off from the spirit world, from the spirit guides, and where you need to work on. All right, so meditate on your crown chakra. All right, take out at least 5 minutes in during the day, or when you wake up, or when you are about to sleep, and meditate on your crown chakra and try to align yourself with the universe. Try to see or reflect back about your day. जो आपने दिन बताया है पूरा, उस पर रिफ्लेक्शन डालिए, उस पर reflect back and see where could you have made any kind of change, or where you could have reacted somewhat different the way you already reacted. And आप कुछ और भी किसी को कुछ कह सकते थे in a much politer way than what you would have said. So these kind of reflections will really help you grow yourself as an individual, to really help you see where you stand as an individual, to really let you know that what areas in your life you really need to work upon. So as and when आप अपना crown chakra clear alignment पे ले आएंगे, I mean, it would be a aha moment for you. Everything would be so clear, crystal clear for you, and you would be amazed to see how you are in so much alignment with the universe. All right, so these were your messages from the spirit world. I hope that you would like the video, and I really would like to tell that if you really resonate with the readings, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till next time, take care. Bye bye.